Welcome to the Alternative Medicine College of Canada. Once admitted, you can access your student center, and this quick tutorial will help you get started with confidence. Once logged in, the first area to explore is the My Registration menu, also known as the Media Library. This is where the heart of your e-learning training is located. For each course, you will find your pedagogical manual in PDF format, which you can download and keep for your personal reference. You will also be able to see all your current courses, upcoming courses, and completed one in the same place. When you enter a course, you will access the chapters to study presented in a step-by-step learning format. Each chapters end with a mandatory non-graded quiz designed to help validate your understanding. Once all chapters have been completed, the final exam will become available directly on the platform. Everything is designed to allow you to progress at your own pace in a structured and autonomous way. The Student Center also has the Help and Documentation section. You will find a virtual library with frequently asked questions and official academic documents. In the Evaluation menu, you can check your exam history, follow your provisional transcript, and access clinical case studies from former students to help you with your own work. One of the most important features of the platform is the internal messaging system. It allows you to communicate directly with your tutor about your courses, submit your clinical case study for evaluation, or contact the administration. All messages are saved securely, allowing you to keep a clear and organized history of your exchange. In the My Account menu, you can see your account status, check your receipts, and keep track of your payments all in one place. You can also pay for a course or a module directly from your personal account in a simple and secure way. The Student Center is here to support you throughout your program from admission to graduation. Take your time exploring the menus, go at their own paces, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need help. The AMCC team wishes you a great learning experience and every success on your journey.